Walk the Zion path so true. Jaja guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along. It guide the children, guide the land. Zion path by Jahan, forever holy, never stray. Zion path, the righteous way. It climb the hill, it cross the sea. Zion path, eternity. From dawn to dusk, from night to day. Zion path, the only way. Me trod the road with psalm in hand. Zion path across the land. It lift me soul, it heal me mind. Zion path for all mankind. No Babylon can shake me ground. Zion path always found. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion path carry you. It shine eternal, shine so bright. Zion path inna the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name. Forever blow, pure and free. Zion wind eternity. Zion wind strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion wind called your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind bring Jah breeze. It sing the song, it spread the word. Zion wind always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. It move eternal, strong and wide. Zion wind, the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion wind of holy birth. Eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind, keep it strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion wind still remain. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion wind strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind forever born. Blow strong, blow high. Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion wind strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind forever born. of man can take the seat. Throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule this place. Throne eternal, throne of grace. Call the children one by one. Say come home, the work is done. Heal the wounded, break the chain. Bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from seed to star. Throne of Zion guides so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Me see the vision in me dream. Throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray. Throne will guide you every day. Teach the heart, it teach the soul. Jah creation make us whole. Keep the love, it keep the light. Throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. Never shake it, never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done. Throne forever holy one. Seat of love, of peace, of flame. Throne eternal, praise Jah name. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Stand firm, stand tall. Throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end. Throne of Jah forever. Zion Ragga. Blow so free across the land. Wind of Jah by holy hand. Carry seed, it spread the song. Guide the people all along. Every ghost a message true. Every breeze a voice for you. Wind of Zion whisper clear. Tell the world Jah spirit near. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need for hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever clean. It moved the tree, it shake the ground. It carry chanting sacred sound. It bring the rain, it cool the flame. fall. Wind of Jah embrace us all, from start of time to endless years. Wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong. Wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah brings soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need to hide. Carry love on wings unseen.
Na na na, Zion Ragga, yeah man. Na na na, Zion Ragga, yeah man. Peace of Zion, fill me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace for me and you. Zion peace calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion peace all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion peace, bring Jah peace. It soothe the heart, it heal the land. Zion peace, by Jah hand. Forever shining bright and clear. Zion peace, forever near. Me feel it flowing, gentle breeze. Zion peace across the seas. No man stop it, no man bind. Zion peace for all mankind. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion peace more than gold. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion peace the holy tide. It rise eternal, never gone. Zion peace forever strong. Forever flowing, pure and true. Zion peace carry you. It's still the night, it calm the day. Zion peace Yahweh. Eternal blessing, strong and free. Zion peace eternity. When the trumpet sound again, flow strong from mountainside. River carry Jah pure guide. Every drop a healing stream, wash away the wicked scheme. Cool the soul, refresh the land. River flow by Jah command. No drought can dry, no wall restrain. River bless the earth again. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry truth on holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. It run through valley, run through plain. It feed the seed with gentle rain. It give the thirsty child to drink. Teach the elder how to think. No poison spoil, no hand control. River cleanse the weary soul. From high to low, from shore to sea. River flow eternally. It sing a song of love and peace. It chant until the wars all cease. It whisper, come lay down your fight. Walk in Jah and live in light. It tell the world, we live as one. River flow till work is done. Every ripple tell Jah name. Flowing strong with holy flame. Me sit beside the river clear. Feel Jah presence drawing near. It guide me hand, it wash me face. Fill me soul with righteous grace. It teach me how to heal and give. Show the path of how to live. No end, no start, just circle run. River flow till time is done. When the nightfall start to rise, river shine beneath the skies. Moon above and stars reflect. River show what soul connect. From first dawn to final day, river never fade away. Living stream of Zion bless. Wash the world in righteousness. Flow deep, flow strong. River sing the ancient song. From mount to sea, from birth to end. River of Jah, always friend. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry truth on holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon, river sing Jah holy tune. Zion roots. Me born free, me born a warrior. Them try to hold me down, but me rise superior. Them build the chains, them build the cage, but me spirit free, me can't be a slave. Me feel the pressure, me feel the strain, but Jah Jah guide me, me rise again. Them try to break me, them try to bend, but the strength of Jah, it will never end. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the dust. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the juice. No chain can hold I, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk in bold. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try to bind me, them try to break, but me
me rise for just sake. Them try fi lock me up, try fi silence me voice, but me speak the truth, me make the choice. The power of Jah, it deep inna me soul. Me no need no chains, me no need no control. Me see the walls, them try fi build, but the love of Jah can't be killed. Me rise like a lion, me stand so tall. The chains them fall, me break them all. Me see the chains are breaking apart. Me walk with courage, me walk with heart. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, me know the truth, me know the right. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try fi bind me, them try fi break, but me rise for just sake. No chains can bind me free inside. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. The chains of Babylon, them cold and tight, but Jah power, it bring the light. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above, me can't be beat. Me break the chains, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk so bold. Them want fi control, them want fi steal, but the power of Jah, it always real. Me free in a spirit, me free.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a kush with Sev Kaya, man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in style, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden, lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and Jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight, me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me through every leaf. Me spirit free in a one love herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow, not just herb, but art, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide, just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon done. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja Zion Ragga, yeah, man.
Me step out barefoot in the morning dew. Sunlight bless me skin, ja light shine through. Me carry me bag, me herb, me drum, me hear the calling. Zion train a come, me heart beat like Naya Bingy sound. Me soul levitate, me feet touch ground. This journey deeper than road or mile. It's spirit travel, guided by just smile. All aboard the Rasta train. No ticket, just love to remain. Through mountain mist and valley plain, we ride to Zion in a healing rain. Me light a chalice in a sacred grove. Ganja smoke like a holy robe. Meditation, I like the eager flight. Me sight clear like crystal night. Me no follow crowd, me follow the sound of heartbeats rooted in sacred ground. Me chant psalms with ancient tongue. Me soul sing like it just begun. All aboard the Rasta train. No borders, no locks, no chain. Only love, no need for fame. We ride to Zion in Jah name. This a journey, not a race. Every soul have them pace. Smoke rise, me find me space. In a Jah light, me see me face. Me no stress, me no fear. Rasta know the eye is near. In a silence, me hear the voice say, live conscious, live with choice. Me meet a elder on the way. Him say, youth, give thanks every day. Life simple like wind and tree. Respect Jah laws and you will be free. Me share me herb, we reason long. Drum beat echo, spirit strong. Me learn more from vibes than book. Zion journey need more than look. All aboard the Rasta train. Through sunshine, thunder, joy and pain. We ride in love, we chant again. To Zion heights, where peace remains. Zion train a roll. Take me soul where love control. Ganja burn and spirit hold. Rasta train a carry me home. Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion reggae, yeah, man. Stand so tall upon the hill. Tower God by Jah's strong will. Beacon bright for all to see. Symbol of eternity. Stone of faith and root of love. Built by hand of God above. No storm can shake, no war can break. Tower strong for Zion's sake. Tower of Zion.
ganja light. Tower call the tribe to stay strong in faith, don't lose the way. It echo sound of holy drum. Tell the world the king will come. It keep the chant, it keep the fire. Lift the spirit ever higher. No weapon strong, no hand so sly. Tower reach the endless sky. Every stone a prayer said. Every block where prophet tread. Me climb the stair and raise me song. Hear the echo loud and long. It's a whole faith, don't bow to lies. Tower strong till Babylon dies. It show the land, it show the sea. Tower keep eternity. Stand forever. Guard the flame, shining Jah eternal name. When the morning sun arise, tower blaze across the skies. It guard the youth, it guide the old. Tell the story prophets told. From first stone to final call. Tower stand above it all. Strong in truth and strong in grace. Tower mark the holy place. Stand tall, shine bright. Tower guard the holy light. No chain, no wall can break the song. Tower of Jah forever strong. Tower of Zion, high and free. Shine the light for you and me. Stand forever, never fall. Guide the people, one and all. From mount to sky, from dawn to dawn. Tower of Jah, forever
Oh yo yo, kaya smoke ya man. Me rise with your sun, me not snooze. Open up me window, feel the truth. Steam chalice burning slow. Ancient fire, let the blessings flow. Me not in a rush, this a sacred time. Before Babylon invade me mind. Me light the herb, me say a prayer. Me spirit cleansing a morning air. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me find the riches in Jah name. Me heart calm like river run. Me joy rise with the morning sun. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry me chance into the sky. Me no fear no shadows deep. Jah protect me in me sleep. We roll up wisdom, inhale grace. Find serenity in this space. Sacred smoke and morning light, guiding me soul through day and night. Me walk barefoot on red dirt trail. Me ears hear bird, me heart excel. Me see the children laugh and run. Them no yet lost to machine and gun. Me whole a reasoning with me
and true. Talk about life and what we been through. Them say love is weak, me say them lie. It take real strength fi stand and try. Me no need no filter on this face. Rasta live raw, me know me place. One pot cook fi the whole crew. Real life sweet like ital stew. Me live slow, me think deep. Me not drown in promises we can't keep. The herb open door to eyesight wide. Show I Jah presence deep inside. Me no smoke just forget I. Me smoke for reason with the most high. Every puff of meditation, every breath of prayer. Me connect with spirit in the open air. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry the blessings from the sky. Me nah need no artificial light. Just shine for me every night. We roll up roots, inhale peace from stress and worry. Me release sacred smoke and morning light. A Rasta's guide, me soul ignite. Me build me space with love and care. No plastic life, just vibes rare. Me family gather round every fire. No more wage, no boss, no liar. Me see too much people chase empty things. Phone in a hand but soul can't sing. Me say slow down, take back your time. Plant your food and build your shrine. Me chant psalms pan mountain top. Me not care if the city stop. Me spirit fly where eagles dwell. Me soul not trapped in digital hell. So come sit under this tree. Light one up and reason with me. This life not easy, but it's divine. With sacred smoke and Jah a sign.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion music bless the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One jar deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom pon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, Me meditate, yeah, me na follow trend. Me na wear mask, me na chase likes, me na do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. Will blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le 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 le.
Rise up, me brother, rise up, me queen. Sunlight paint the hills in gold and green. Me wrap me crown, me soul feel clean. Jah love flowing in the roots man stream. No need for riches or big car scene. Me carry truth like ital cuisine. Me chalice bun with sacred flame. Every puff call out Jah name. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high. With ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me walk barefoot through ancient sand. Wisdom carved in the lines of me hand. Each step a chant, each breath a prayer. Me no lost, Jah always there. From hills of Jamaica to African shore. Reggae carry story from root to core. Me no need approval, me no need fame. Me rhythm, me fire, me sacred flame. Light it up, let it rise. Mystic smoke, reach the skies. Third eye open wide and true. See the world in Irie hue. Babylon tried distract me view, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Babylon try distract me with you, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. born in the fire, heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall, guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way, but we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry, but the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea, the strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with Jah, me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but Jah Jah power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try to break we, them try to bind, but the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice Jah Jah speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field, but the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Na na na, Kali Kushin in the morning, yeah man. Early morning light kiss the hills, smoke rising slow, just spirit it fills. I wrap me dread in sacred thought. One love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth. Meditation, bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine. Through herbs and rhythm I realign. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars, beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer. Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown, only ganja, steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust, in ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut
through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow, where the chalice lights start to glow. It's a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear, in a misty vibration. Jah message we draw near. It's a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophet, hold me faith. Only truth me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon noise decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rising, Yahweh praise. Every inhale, a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With roots reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free, to the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain, just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way, Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly, Zion echoes reach the sky. One Nazarene. Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta cushion at the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock swing between the trees, me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by the sun, them shine each day. I tell soup in a clay pot boil, with coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant Jah Rastafari with soul. Me nah chase riches, me nah seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon torch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No yet, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring with your son. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember words. Roots of the morning light. Guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting inna me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light. Shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite. Me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind reset. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light. We ganja smoke, yeah man. Early na the morning, me rise with your sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember words. Roots of the morning light. Guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting inna me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite. Me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind reset. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Na 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 na. Let the session begin, Zion.
Me walk barefoot on the early dew. Me carry herb and heart so true. Me sip tile from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jah dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit. With wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty moon. A higher life, me no reborn. With every draw, me spirit grow. In ganja fire, me truths overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks sway in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird on every wing.
Rasta way, not just a fad. It's how me live and me give thanks to that. Zion high, me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in a night.
Zion lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. Inna this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just Phoebe wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, eyes so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.
Bada bim, bada boom. Rastafari. Smoke bang ya man. Yeah, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in a jungle, me mind run wild. Lion heart, me nah get teeth. fame. Me bun me herb and chant your name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat, keep the fire whole. Roots run deep in a man vein. Rasta love, wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. My spirit chant like ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me burn the chalice pan sunrise peak. Me listen to voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wealth, me no need fame. Me find me peace in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide. She rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. Roll a spliff and close your eyes. Feel the fire as your spirit rise. Sound system shake, the sacred ground. Jah vibration in every song. Rasta youth, walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile pon face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take Jah power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need for pretend. But post the vibes and ital stew. We reason true truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just art and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete grey, come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud, lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irie scene. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Rasta journey, you soon will keep. But first remember, roots run deep.
Jamaica pushing on the chalice, yeah man.
smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner me sit, herbs in a hand, me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence, me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Me hear the leaves whisper in a breeze. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach I how to walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple in a me mind, clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away, me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth, hold firm, think deep, herbs fi uplift. No fi sleep, me no glorify, just the smoke. But the message when the silence spoke, it bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence, bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rasta man moving, right direction. So come sit with I under the moon, let the chalice sing. A healing tune in the stillness. We rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry the song. Smoke and silence, Jah make we strong.
yeah man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile pan TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chain still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chanting pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come through. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul na swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. My DNA link tree to see. No barcode label panjaman. Me na scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, nah need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Ay, 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, yeah, man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone. Far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity. Just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow. Like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone. Cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn. but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence, me sing I song. Me chant it soft, but me root strong. In a the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at Jagged. In a the quiet I know. Everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. In a the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. In a the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow.
Bamba gold inna the bambus. Yeah man. Early morning, sun arise, steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing. Meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase goal. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear just one draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot on sacred land. Feel the heartbeat of Jahan. Me no need no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant fi joy, me chant fi peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high, but keep me wise. It no a joke, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. like river run. This reggae vibe had just begun. One drop, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Ay, 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 Zion inna the pove. Yeah man, me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me troubles sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This a the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm fi a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me bona spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. Pon the roots highway, come what may. Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation.
a scroll, each breeze a verse, teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart are the compass true. No clock rule what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders blessed with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Na 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 na. Say I am man. Ragga.
Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in our heart, fire in our soul. We live in the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs burn strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach high in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jacob. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth. So profound, this ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots on sacred trail. Open eyes. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me tread in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. Youth them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the
the silence called your name. Me teach bout herbs, me teach bout drum. How fi hear your voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze a meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power in a lion's strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play, where time slow down and thoughts get clean, where we sip vitality and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes carry the flame, roots temple. Remember the name. Remember the name. Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pon river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown pon her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. Cooking idol, chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She are the queen of me temple, fire of the night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. With lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown, fi rule me throne. Our vibe more rich than gemstone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She are the queen of me temple, reason of the song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah. Seal of my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, yeah, man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom
alone you can't fake or keep. Inna the city full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring, just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She say, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true like that carry on. Me empress, me backbone. Together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody. She keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion.